fourth graders, I want to get ready for our lesson for Monday, and so that's why I'm having you watch this video. So today I want to talk to you about polygons. What is a polygon? What's not a polygon? So right now I need you to please go get your math textbook, okay? And I need you to turn to page 96 and 97 because that's what we're going to be focusing on today. All right. So in your textbook, now that you have it, it says a polygon is a flat two-dimensional figure made up of line segments called sides. So you guys know lots of polygons already. Every single shape that we've talked about so far is a polygon because it's two-dimensional, okay? The only things that we have talked about that aren't polygons are individual lines, rays, points, line segments, okay? So all the shapes from trapezoids to parallelograms, squares, all of the quadrilaterals are polygons. But polygons can also be much more than just a quadrilateral. So look at the textbook with me. It says figures that are polygons, and it shows 4 sides and 4 vertices, 3 sides and 3 vertices, 7 sides, 7 vertices. All of those are polygons. They look very different. Polygon is a super broad term. So are all quadrilaterals polygons? Yes, they are. Okay. All right. Figures that are not polygons. So look at the one with the bump on it. That one. It has like a bump on the side, right? It has a curve to it. Curved lines are not line segments. So is a circle a polygon? Nope. Or an oval? No. A heart? Nope. They're not. Okay, and then the sides of the polygon must form a closed path. So this one, these are just groups. It's just a group of line segments. It's not a polygon. All right, and then below it says a polygon must have at least 3 sides because it has to be closed. So a triangle is the smallest number of sides for a polygon that's possible. And then this one has lines that are crossing. So that means it's not a polygon either. But otherwise, all of these, all the shapes that we've talked about are polygons. Now, there's 2 different types. Let's go back to this. Look at the bottom of page 96. It says polygons are named after the number of their sides. The prefix for a polygon's name tells the number of its sides. A prefix is the first part of a word. So when we say triangle, tri means 3. Just like, have you heard the word tricycle before? I'm sure you have. It's a bicycle that has 3 wheels. So tri means 3. Triangle literally means 3 angles. Okay? And then we learned quadrangle, right? 4. Pentagon, for like a polygon that has 5 sides. Hexagon, that's a polygon with 6 sides. Heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, duodecagon. It's hard to remember all those different words, but all of those prefixes mean those numbers. Okay, so right now I want you to pause the video and I want you to draw some figures that are polygons and some figures that aren't polygons. And I'm going to do the same and let's see what we both come up with. Okay, here are the polygons and non-polygons that I came up with. So I drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shaped figure. So it's not quite a hexagon. It's close. My drawing isn't perfect, but that's okay. I have a triangle and then I have an irregular polygon. So it's just a different shape. These shapes, my purple shapes, are not polygons because this is like a balloon shape and it has a curve to it. This isn't a complete shape and this has an X in it. So did you come up with something similar? Hopefully you're able to identify what makes a polygon and what does not make up a polygon. All right, so look at page 97. We have 2 more terms that we need to learn. One is convex polygons and the other is concave polygons. Now convex polygons, all the sides are pushed out. Okay, they're convex. concave is like kind of like a cave, like it comes in, okay? So it has like some sort of opening in it. So if you look at the shapes, you can almost imagine like a line drawn underneath it, and you could crawl underneath that concave part of the polygon. Okay, so those are the different types of polygons. Convex is when they're all pushed out. Concave, there's a chunk either like that's inside or taken out. You can see the examples right there in your book. A regular polygon is regular if all sides have the same length. So before I drew for you a hexagon, but it wasn't quite a regular hexagon, right? It was a six-sided polygon, but it wasn't a regular hexagon. All right, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video again, and I want you, or I'm going to stop it so I can draw my pictures, and you should draw yours too. I want you to draw a convex polygon, a concave polygon, and a regular polygon. All right, what did you draw? Here is my convex polygon. All of the sides are pushed out. Here is my concave polygon. You can almost even imagine this being a cave and going into it. The sides are going into the polygon. It's concave. And this is the best regular heptagon that I can draw. So, did you draw the same kinds of things that I did? Check to make sure that yours fits the correct definitions. Right now, I'm going to show you the things that you need to write in your notebook, in your math notebook, and then I'd like for you to copy those terms. So you'll just want to pause the video so you can see the words yourself and write them in your notebook. And then we'll be ready for Monday. Thanks. Bye. All right, please add these terms to your math notebook. A polygon is a flat, two-dimensional figure with at least 3 sides, no curves, close path, and no cross lines. A convex polygon has all the sides pushed out. A concave polygon is a polygon with at least 2 sides pushed in. And a regular polygon is a polygon with all sides the same length. Go ahead and pause this video so you can put them in your math notebook.